We are looking at number 15. Here we're asking to find the perimeter of this triangle. To find the perimeter of the triangle, we have to add all the sides together. So let me color code this. I'm going to treat AB in red. I'm going to treat the side length of BC is green, and I'm going to treat green as AC. Okay, this allows me to understand that the perimeter P is going to be the addition of those three pieces: line segment of AB, then you have B line segment of BC plus the line segment of AC. These are the three pieces that we have to add up to get the perimeter. Okay, now we can't count, so we have to use Pythagorean theorem to solve for each one of them. So let's do it right here. AB, line segment AB, is going to be made up of this piece. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So 4 squared plus 2 squared. And the reason why we do that is because this forms a right triangle. Okay, 4 squared plus 2 squared will get me that diagonal. Okay, this becomes the square root of 16 plus 4. That gets you the square root of 20, which is the length of AB. Then let's find the length of BC. BC will also have a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down 1. So it's going to be the square root of 7 squared plus 1 squared, which is going to be 49 plus 1, which is going to be square root of 50. That is the length of BC. Now let's find the blue one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So AC is square root 9 squared plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 squared. This is 81 plus 27, right? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squared plus 1, 2, 3, 3 squared. Okay, 9 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, that gets you 90. Okay. All right. Okay, 3 squared is 9 here. All right. So now that we have the three pieces, you can add them together here, where you have it. This is square root 20 plus square root 50 plus the square root of 90. That would be its perimeter. Okay, to find the and whatever value that becomes. All right, I'm just going to leave it like this. Then to find the area, what we have to do is we would normally do 1/2 base times height. But the issue is it's hard to find the base and it's hard to find the height because this object is like weirdly diagonal. So what we need to do here is we want to find that total area. So I want to find the area of the total object, which is this piece. And then we're going to minus the three triangles. Okay, so minus the area of the red triangle. Then I'm going to minus the area of the green triangle. Then I'm going to minus the area of the blue triangle. Okay, that should get me the piece. If I subtract from the bigger rectangle those three small triangles, I should get me my area of that triangle. That's going to be equal to the area of that weirdly triangle, the red, green, blue. Okay, all right, so the rectangle is length times width here, right? And each triangle is just 1/2 base times height, minus 1/2 base times height, minus 1/2 base times height. Okay, so it varies which one we're going to do. So the length here, it is let's see, 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the length here is 9. So 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. We're going to minus 1/2. Let's do the red triangle first. So its base there was 3. And the height here was 4. Okay, now let's do the green triangle. Minus 1/2. And let's do the green triangle. The base for that is a 7 and the height here is a 1. Then we're going to minus 1/2. Let's do the blue one. The blue's base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 3. And that should get me, okay, this triangle right here. All right. Okay. 9 times 4, it is 36 minus, let's do 1/2 times 3 times 4. That gets me 6 for the area of the red triangle. Then we're going to minus 1/2, 7 times 1 for the green triangle. That is, if you do it in a calculator, it's like 3.4, or it's going to be 7/2. And then the blue one, you're going to minus the blue one, which is going to be 1/2, 9 times 3. And that is 27/2. Okay. Plug this into a calculator. 36 minus 6 minus 7 divided by 2 minus 27 divided by 2. That should get you the value of 13. Okay. 36 minus 6 minus 7/2 minus 27/2. That's 13. And that gets you this area, okay, of the triangle. There you go.